World leaders are condemning the terrorist attack in Egypt and sending their condolences to the victims there. In Israel, Tel Aviv's City Hall was lit up with the colors of the Egyptian flag on Friday in a show of solidarity. US President Donald Trump condemned the attack as a horrible and cowardly one on his Twitter account. And the White House also said Trump would have a talk with Egyptian President al-Sisi. UK Prime Minister Theresa May tweeted as well that she was appalled by the sickening attack and sent her condolences. In France, lights at the Eiffel Tower in Paris were turned off to honor the victims, and the country's foreign minister called the attack despicable.